Eating too many different foods is the primary barrier to fat loss. When meals are exciting, the biological drive to eat remains in high gear. Successful fat loss often correlates with extreme meal repetition. Those who see the fastest results typically eat the exact same foods day after day. Monday starts with a specific plan, but Tuesday shifts to a new recipe. Wednesday demands something entirely different. Accumulating 15 different foods by Friday feels like nutritional success. In reality, this variety is the exact mechanism preventing the body from regulating its own intake. Every new food item forces the brain to make micro-decisions regarding portion sizes, preparation, and flavor pairings. This continuous subconscious processing leads directly to decision fatigue. This graph shows willpower degrading as the day progresses. Each new food decision chips away at the battery. By evening, these mental defenses are entirely depleted, leaving the brain vulnerable to severe late-night cravings. Late-night snacking is a predictable neurological response to a day spent making excessive food choices. Consuming the same or highly similar meals repeatedly provides a biological countermeasure to this mental drain. Clinical research shows that predictable eating patterns lead to a natural, effortless reduction in calorie consumption. This happens because the brain naturally decreases its focus on food when the stimulus is no longer novel. This principle is known as sensory-specific satiety. Continuous exposure to the same tastes, smells, and textures actively diminishes the brain's perception of a food's appeal. As the appeal drops, the biological desire to continue eating short-circuits, resulting in a physical reduction in appetite. Intentional neurological boredom is a highly effective natural defense against overeating. A high-variety diet provides the opposite effect, keeping the brain's reward centers in a state of constant stimulation. New tastes and textures trick the brain into demanding a higher volume of food than the body actually requires. The buffet effect occurs when the presence of variety overrides the stomach's signals of fullness. This leads to blind overeating and a total loss of portion control, as shown by these erratic spikes breaching the caloric threshold. This environment creates a loop of constant hunger, even after consuming a high volume of food. High-variety food environments are often designed to override biology and force overconsumption. Most people have experienced eating the exact same leftover meal for 3 or 4 days straight. The initial anticipation decays into total apathy by day 3. This specific feeling of boredom is sensory-specific satiety working exactly as intended. Weaponizing this natural apathy allows for the permanent elimination of cravings. Applying dietary monotony to everyday life requires a structured framework. Step 1. Select 2 to 3 balanced meals that are easy to prepare and enjoyable, but not overly stimulating. Step 2. Repeat the exact same breakfast and lunch daily to remove early day decision fatigue. Step 3. Prioritize protein and fiber in these meals to mechanically prolong the feeling of fullness. Step 4. Design meals to be slightly boring to actively suppress the excitement that drives overeating. Step 5. Commit to a strict 7-day trial period to allow brain chemistry and cravings to adapt to the new baseline. Radical, intentional simplicity provides the structural control that complex meal plans lack. Eliminating the environmental triggers that encourage eating makes fat loss a more sustainable process. Excessive culinary variety remains one of the most significant hidden triggers for overconsumption in the modern diet. Reducing environmental noise and repeating meals allows biology to naturally regulate weight. Surrendering the desire for daily food entertainment unlocks the simplest path to long-term fat loss.